Will Nigerians quit buying their Toyotas, Hondas, and the rest of them to buy IVM?
Hey riders, it's me, your number one car girl. I'll be taking you on trips to give you the best road experience and provide solutions to your needs. So put away your stuff, hop on and ride with me. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe and tap on the bell icon below to turn on post notifications.
So a couple of days ago, I put up a post on my Instagram about made in Africa cars. So today I'm going to be talking about one of them, which are the cars made in Nigeria. So I don't know if we all know, but apparently there were cars always made in Nigeria, like your Kia, Hyundai, I don't know if it's Peugeot or Peugeot, but yeah. Now, well, we have our indigenous car brands here in Nigeria, which goes by the name IVM, which means Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing. So apparently they've actually been producing cars since the year 2007 or 2013. I think it's 2007, I'm not exactly sure. Okay, so well, they've been producing sedans, hatchbacks, vehicles for the army, buses for transportation, and all of that. So would I say I'm proud of them? Yes, it's doing really good. But will IVM really thrive? Let's talk about that now, shall we? Okay, so the CEO, Mr. Innoson Chukwuma, said his goal or his vision is to stop or curb the importation of Tokumbo cars in Nigeria. So if you actually look at the prices of his cars, they are worth the prices of Tokumbo cars here, or should we call them foreign used cars here in Nigeria. Okay, so will Nigerians quit buying their Toyotas, Hondas, and the rest of them to buy IVM? If yes, why? If no, why too? So I need you guys to tell me what you think in the comment section. Nonetheless, these are my reasons. First off, the names. In as much as the names actually do sound hilarious to me, but in as much as we're used to names that are peculiar to their countries of origin, like Kia Picanto and the rest of them. Well, we have the IVM Umu, we have the IVM Ikenga, and well, the rest of them. Even in Ghana, we have Katanka Mensa. So I don't know, maybe it sounded a bit ridiculous to me, but it's cool. I like the fact that that he was being original with it. So it might sound odd, but it's cool. Originality is key. My reason number 2, the looks. I feel like they have boring designs. Okay, they're not very attractive. Some of us like cars that look flashy. Some of us are very particular. Even if the cars are not as expensive, we want them to look very flashy, that kind of stuff. So does IVM portray that? I do not think so. Maybe a little bit of redesigning will do it for them. But pending that time, we're talking about what we can see now in it. My reason number 3, still based on the designs, I feel like these are copied. Their hatchbacks look like the Hyundai hatchbacks. One of their sedans looks, I think the Umu looks like one Mitsubishi sedan like that. Their Innoson G80, which is the Innoson G-Wagon, well, does look like a G-Wagon and a Hummer at the same time. And their G40 looks like the Prado. So I'm not exactly, I don't exactly understand what's going on, but I feel like maybe a bit of originality should be applied to the designs too. But this is just what I think. I'm not very, but I really like the fact, and I'm actually proud to say that yes, in my country we have indigenous car brands. Aren't you too? So if there's any reason you feel like IVM should, or if there's anything you think IVM should do to make their stuff better, why don't you put them all in the comment section and let's interact. I want to know what you think about made in Nigeria cars, are they actually a very good idea? If another company should sprout, would you patronize them? If yes, why? If no, why too? So please give me all of this gist in my comment section, okay? Okay guys, so I tried to make this one as short and quick as possible so I don't bore you with all of the long gist, because I don't exactly have that much of gist for you today. So is there anything you'd like to see? Is there anything you'd like to know? Do you have any questions about any car at all? About my previous videos? So if you do, please put them in the comment section, okay? And well, we've arrived at today's destination, so it's time for me to say goodbye. But before I go, please, I'd like to ask you for another favor. I want to say thank you, first of all. I really do appreciate your good work and your loyalty. I appreciate the fact that you keep watching my videos. Thank you so much. I really love you all. If you're new here, please do well to join the rest of them, my loved ones, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But first of all, give this video a thumbs up, okay? If you really like this video and you want to see more of this and better stuff coming at you, which I do have for you, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe. Tap on the bell icon below to turn on post notifications, and share the link to your friends, your family, to your loved ones on your social media, everywhere. I really would appreciate this. So thank you guys. I can't wait to see you guys again next time.